What are the top 5 repairs that sellers can make to get the most bang for their buck when selling their home? I'm Melissa Bartlett with Reese Nichols Realtors Excelsior Springs. First impressions are everything. When a potential buyer walks into a home, they want to see a well-maintained property that they can see themselves living in. That's why it's important for sellers to make necessary repairs before listing their home on the market. So let's dive into the top 5 repairs that sellers can make to get the most bang for their buck. Number 1, fresh paint. A fresh coat of paint can do wonders for a home. It can brighten up a room, make it feel bigger, and cover up any scuffs or scratches on the walls. When choosing a paint color, neutral tones are always a safe bet as they appeal to a wider range of buyers. Number 2, fixtures and hardware. Fixtures and hardware such as doorknobs, faucets, and light fixtures can date a home and make it feel old and worn. Replacing these items with modern and updated ones can make a big difference in the overall appearance of a home and can give it a more contemporary look. Number 3, flooring. Flooring is one of the first things buyers notice when they walk into a home. Old or worn carpet can be a major turnoff for potential buyers. Replacing old carpet with hardwood floors or even new carpet can give a home an instant upgrade. Number 4, landscaping. Curb appeal is important when selling a home, and landscaping is a big part of that. Sellers should focus on keeping the lawn mowed, planting flowers and shrubs, and trimming any overgrown trees or bushes. A well-manicured lawn and garden can create an inviting and welcoming atmosphere for potential buyers. And lastly, number 5, kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchen and bathrooms are 2 of the most important rooms in a home, and they can make or break a sale. Sellers can make cost-effective upgrades, such as replacing old appliances, adding a backsplash, or updating cabinet hardware to give these rooms a fresh look and feel. So, the top 5 repairs to make to get the most bang for your buck when selling your home is fresh paint, fixtures and hardware, flooring, landscaping, and kitchen and bathroom upgrades. All are relatively low-cost repairs that can make a big impact on the overall appearance of a home and help it sell faster. I'm Melissa Bartlett with Reese Nichols Realtors Excelsior Springs.